Can you see that? I think I used to paint like that. You know, when I was in high school? But I don't think I ever did a still life with fruit and a dead seagull. Because I swear that is a dead seagull in the picture. Really. To the right, behind the fruit, a dead seagull. Very strange. Okay, so I'm here. Just did my photocopying. I looked and looked. I had a master list of my students and their levels. I lost it somewhere. I looked in every single one of the classes that I teach in. I looked at all the stuff that I carry around. I looked at all my cupboards. Couldn't find it. You know, sometimes you just lose these things. You'd think if it were just paper clipped together, okay, fine. But this actually had one of those